Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a very famous Pakistani and Indian biscuit recipe, Naan Khatai. These are very famous and you will find these biscuits freshly made in every bakery. Since it is the winter season, these are perfect treats with your tea or coffee. So let's get started. First we will gather the dry ingredients. For that, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of gram flour, also known as besan, 2 tablespoons of semolina or suji, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is important to have a good texture. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of green cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. Now filter all of the ingredients to get rid of any impurities. Now add 1 cup of powdered sugar. If you like more sweet, add 4 more tablespoons of sugar. Give it a good mix. Make sure all of it is smooth and combined together. Add half cup of room temperature ghee, or you can add unsalted butter if you like, but the recommended ingredient is ghee. Give it a good mix. Make sure the ghee is mixed together with everything. When it starts making the lumps, add 4 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. Work it into a dough. If you're having trouble, add a little more milk. After it has become a dough, cover it and leave it for 20 minutes. Preheat the oven at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Shape the dough into biscuits and spread them out in a baking sheet. If you're not using a baking sheet, make sure you grease the pan nicely. Glaze each of the biscuit with beaten egg. If you don't want to use eggs, you can skip it and use butter instead. Place half an almond onto each naan khatai before putting it into the oven. Place the biscuits in the middle rack of the oven and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes or until they start to become golden brown from the top. The freshly baked Naan Khatai is always an amazing treat with tea and coffee. Enjoy this during your winter time. Let us know how you like this recipe. Leave us a comment. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or if there is a different way you guys make Naan Khatai, please do let us know. If you have any other suggestions for our upcoming video, let us know. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so you can receive our next video as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.